Let's learn how to stop people from seeing you viewed their profile on TikTok. First, let's open TikTok app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account from which you want to see other accounts. There is a option you need to check. For first option, go on Inbox by clicking on the button in the right side of little plus button in the bottom of the screen. When you come on your inbox, you need to turn on your activity status. You will do that by clicking on Inbox option with green dot in the top of the screen. This green dot means that your activity status is enabled, and people can see when you're active on TikTok. Now, on this pop-up menu option for turning off activity status in the bottom of the screen, just go to click on that button and you will turn off activity status. Next step is to go on your profile by clicking on little man icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. On this page, you can see a little footprints icon in the top right corner of the screen, and you need to click on it. Now on this page, you can see who's viewing your profile, but we don't need that. Now we need a little gear option, which is in the top right corner of the screen. And that will open little side menu, where is option to turn off profile view history. So that means you can't see who's view you profile, but when you go to view someone profile, that person will not get notifications you view that profile. Just go to turn off this option and you are done. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.